What's up, Tampa Bay? This is Jessica Barron, your host for the 2019 Filmmaker Spotlight, featuring filmmakers who entered into the Gasparilla International Film Festival. This Saturday, June 29th, marks the kickoff of the new season of Filmmaker Spotlight. You'll be able to enjoy an incredible lineup of this year's top films from the Tampa Bay area. Along with getting to watch these great films, you'll also get to see exclusive interviews with the filmmakers. The season premiere will include an in-depth look into Skyman, a new film directed by Dan Myrick, who directed the 1999 film The Blair Witch Project. You can watch the premiere on Saturday at 8 p.m. on Spectrum 636 and Frontier Fios 34. Mark your calendars so you don't miss out. But hey, if you do, you can enjoy it at watch.tbae.net.